Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Today we will learn about CPEC. Do you know what is that? It is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and it is also known as CPEC. So I am recently gonna do a workshop on it. That's why I thought to first make an understanding of you guys that what is actually CPEC. CPEC is like a working thing. For example, first I will tell you the economics of China and Pakistan. Then we will get an easiness to understand what is China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. First, let's talk about Chinese economics. China, used to make so many good material and supply it around the world. But its, biggest thing is shipment. And it has very big problems in shipment too. How is that so? It is because of its geography. In its geography, you can see how stretched its sea is. But still, it's no use because it cannot make when the ship departs from Hong Kong. Hong Kong is seaport type of that city. So when the ship departs from there, so if it wanna go to Cairo, Egypt, or Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, or USA, or Germany, Spain, England, Portugal is here. So it has so much difficulties. You know why? Because if they go here, so they will see the Pacific Ocean, and after that USA will come. And if they will go here, so they will meet Suez Canal, and it stretches so much. So what happens? For making it short, they have done an agreement with Pakistan and its government, and this agreement is now known as CPEC, or China-Pakistan Friendship Economic Corridor, as I say that. So in that, what will happen? The process is that Karachi and whole Pakistan is also doing shipment like China. So what will they do? That China will supply all the goods to Gwadar port, and after that they will be shipped by the Gwadar port to other countries such as Saudi, because Pakistan is very near to Saudi, and after that Egypt, Spain, Portugal, and after that going further on. Now, one interesting thing about China. Now you will think, why do China need the Pakistani government's help for Chinese-Pakistani economic corridor? So it needs help because it is, some problems are coming. Which type of problems are coming? When the ship departs from Hong Kong, so it spends so much fuel and so much money. Because when it goes from Hong Kong to Saudi, then after that England, so it takes so much fuel. It wastes so much fuel and money. So for reducing that, China is taking the help of Pakistanis, and by that it will be very easy for Chinese to spread all of their goods around the world and take the money. And in that, Pakistan will also get some of that money, and China will share. But I think that we don't have to collaborate with China for China-Pakistan economic corridor, because I think that Chinese people, I don't know about them, but I know that Chinese government and these communist filthy people, I'm saying this because they are very bad people, they are very terrorist people, because they are killing Muslims. If you know or don't know about that, there are Muslims in we can say east, southeast or northeast. Okay, so there are so many Muslims, and they have made them prisoners, and they are doing torture with them. So these are the things. That's why I say that CPEC is not a good thing to do. And another thing is that their name, the Muslims' names are Uyghur Muslims. They are known as Uyghur because they are getting torture, and the Chinese government and soldiers are putting them in prison cell. All of these things, dear brothers and sisters, these are all of the things, short detail for CPEC, which is known as China-Pakistan Corridor, Economic Corridor. So these are the things, dear brothers and sisters. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.